Hi everyone, my name is Auni Safwa and I'm currently studying in Pusat Asasi UiTM Bangkit, representing class E04. In this video, I'll be sharing a simple practical tutorial on how to use Excel. If you are starting to master in Excel, you are in the right place. So, grab your laptop, open up Excel and let's get started. So here is the scenario given for our Excel tutorial. So Arif works in a logistic company and is asked by his manager to prepare a report showing the delivery performance of 5 deliveries for the month. The manager wants to know the average number of deliveries, the highest and the lowest deliveries, and a chart comparing all drivers. Arif is still new to Microsoft Excel, so you need to guide him to complete this task. So let's help Arif out. Here's the data given by his manager. Let's open up Excel first. Choose the blank workbook. Copy the data that given by his manager. And paste it out in our Excel. As the space given not much nice, so I widen the column and I format the cell to the horizontally centered and vertically centered for the text to make it more neat. As the task asks us to know the average, highest and the lowest, let's put it out in our Excel. So for the average, highest delivery, and the lowest. So firstly, we put insert function in the column that we want. Choose average as we want the average. Choose the range and insert it out. So here we got the range. For the highest delivery, insert function and we choose max. As for the maximum data, choose the same range from the data, and yeah, we got the maximum from the data. And for the lowest, we choose min, which is the minimum of the data. Choose the same range, and yeah, we got the minimum from the minimum range for the data. So now we want to compare all the drivers. So I write out the driver's performance for the title first. So for the function, we use if function. If function is used same as how if else function used in programming. So we put the range for our function first. If it is the range higher than 45 or equals to 45, I put it as good performance. Else, I put it as need improvement performance. Make it more neat by up the height of the row. So yeah, more neat. And then we total up the good and need improvement performance. To total it up, we use the COUNTIF function. So it is used to count the terms in certain range. So choose the range and choose the criteria that you want to count for. So let's do the same for need improvement. Choose COUNTIF, the range, and the criteria. So we're done for the data. So now we are making a chart from the data. It is as simple as ABC. First up, choose the data, click insert, and just choose the graph that you want. Here, and voila. So now I will write the title that is more relatable. And I also choose the design of the chart as my preference. Also the color. So here you go. And yeah, we are done. To make my table more neat, I choose that I put the borders. So yeah, I guess we're done. Yeah, doing Excel is as simple as this. I guess that's the end of my tutorial. I hope this video helped you get a clearer understanding of the basics in Excel. If you found it useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I love to hear it from you and help you out however I can. So until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.